So if you're installing a new doorknob and you notice that it's like that, it's not coming all the way out like it should, like that, the fix, now this is only if you're installing a new one. The fix is your screws here are probably too tight. So I'm gonna loosen up these screws and let's see what happens. Just a little bit. I mean, you don't have to do it a whole lot. Just a little bit. Okay, so now, see how I was doing that? And it doesn't mess up the integrity of the lock either. See, that's on there, so it doesn't mess up the integrity, and it's good to go. All right, hope that helped.